Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming engineers who foster programming and innovation arrangements universally. It makes a worldwide market for figuring power, and the processing assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and offbeat assignment execution. Adaptable instruments assist the designers with making and disperse, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This large number of administrations are accessible for an expense nearly not as much as contenders. The Golem environment expects to give programming improvement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain, accessible and open for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem production line. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Regulski, Piotr Jeniuk, Alexandra Skrzypczak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the eco cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital money was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. Furthermore, GNT shows an unexpected meeting to $1, which was amazing and an overbought position for another cryptographic money around then. The environment incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application library, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Task's local coin is called GLM, which was moved from GNT. Highlights of Golem, GLM. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is portrayed by availability, open access, control-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless environment is an aid for programming designers. SDK assists with holding their imagination and featureability to the world. The figuring power can be considered as the two frameworks as a help and programming as a help. The installment frameworks are effectively open, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they reported the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client utilization administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the principal mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more significant level local area commitment. Golem directs a prize administration program as often as possible, which guarantees constructing an enormous client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been partitioned into brass, clay, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a task called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has confidence in the chances of Web3 and collaborated with Horde, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. Its gone-on-up degree in innovation principles gives programming designers to track and run with the product development world. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a circling supply of 1 billion GLM. Right now, the vast majority of the computerized coins are exchanging red in level after a huge convention. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half-year and 3% pessimism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unsurpassed high of GLM on Golem cost expectation, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are profoundly demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has huge development potential. Specialized analysis of Golem. The Golem cost today is around $0.3995, and it confronted a slight rectification with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enlisted at $0.437, and the base cost is $0.3985. The untouched excessive cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0.008797, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and a specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month diagram from 2018 to 2022, Golem, GLM, cost has on a round-based development executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upturn which wound up at a cost of $0.787 from 76 cents low. Then after a cost revision on Golem tokens took support at $0.507 with a morning star development. However, the upturn couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last barely any exchanging meetings. Breaking down the opposition and backing levels on the day-to-day diagram, the following obstruction level is $0.490. On the off chance that GLM price can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the obstruction level at $0.604. The quick help level is $0.348, and the significant help level is $0.272. Dread and ravenousness record is 45. Significant specialized pointers for momentary cost expectations on the everyday graph information, relative strength index, RSI, is 35.13. MACD line is underneath the signal line. The cost of Golem is under 20 EMA, 50 EMA and 200 EMA. In light of specialized examination and GLM cost expectation, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem digital currency is tolerably negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and dealers can hold on to affirm the pattern over the obstruction level prior to making a transient speculation. In view of the close-term Golem gauge, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame in the event that no news or cryptographic money market bullishness is upheld. Golem price prediction 2022. Golem figure information for 2022 is respectably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit effective financial planning to contact a limit of 56 cents. In view of the drawn-out gauges, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Brokers can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire critical benefits from their speculation. Golem crypto price prediction 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53